Hi guys!
Hey,
Another long weekend, another chance of exploring, and today we are going to the beautiful city of Thekri.
it's not a city, it's a town and it's more of a forest area. But yeah, that's where the Periyar Wildlife Sanctuary is.
And I am super excited because my sister who was in Australia for last 2 years is finally visiting us and she is coming with us. Come say hi! Hi! So, welcome to Unboxing Life and let's get going. After a really long but lovely drive lined with beautiful plantations, we are finally here. We chose Greenwoods क्योंकि ये पेरियार रिजर्व से just 2 kilometers है, so it's very convenient. It's one of the rare places in Thekri to have a private pool and that too a heated one, and their commitment towards sustainable ecotourism. रिसेप्शन पे पहुंचते ही हमारे बैग सैनिटाइज किए गए, टेम्परेचर चेक किया गया एंड वी वर वेरी वार्मली वेलकम्ड इन ट्रेडिशनल इंडियन स्टाइल. The decor and furniture of the reception had a very charming vibe to it, making use of very traditional elements but in a very authentic and creative way. We quickly had our welcome drink. And right after, हम निकल गए पेरियार रिजर्व के लिए, जहां हमने बोटिंग स्लॉट बुक किया था. It's a must do while in पेरियार, और अगर अभी तक नहीं किया है तो do check out our पेरियार exclusive video. Coming back to the resort, it's a lush green property spread over 7 acres in the heart of the town. There are 36 rooms in total, including 18 deluxe rooms, 4 suite rooms, 2 pool villas and 1 presidential suite. और अब चलते हैं हमारे amazing pool villa में and check it out. Let me show you around. Come on. एंटर करते ही एक बेसिक लिविंग रूम कम चिल एरिया है विद अ सोफा कम बेड, सम प्लांट्स, इट्स ओन टीवी, luggage stand and a mini bar. There is access to the pool from here, but we'll get there later. As it's Thekri, no surprises that there was a frame full of peppercorns on our wall and it looked good too. The living room had a small but separate wash area, which is very convenient if you are traveling with a third person like us. Let's check out the bedroom. The bedroom was very nicely done, quite spacious, and the most important part, it was very seamlessly bringing the outdoors inside. There is very soothing greenery all around and there is great attention to detail given to every small thing. And now coming to the washroom. Very spacious with 2 wash basins and that's us. Extremely love these pretty decorations and lovely corners present throughout the room. And this is the main pool access. It was beautiful, it was lovely, it was amazing, and as you can see from this smile, it was a treat. रूम का फ्यूमिगेशन हमारी एंट्री के कुछ देर पहले ही हुआ था, तो मिस्ट सेटल नहीं हुई थी, which gave the whole scene a very cozy, mysterious vibe. और कुछ देर के लिए ही सही, it felt like I was in the North Indian winter fog, जो कि मैं काफी मिस कर रही थी. क्योंकि ये एक हीटेड पूल था, काफी बारिश और टेम्परेचर ड्रॉप के बाद भी we could enjoy it throughout the evening and even till late night. And We absolutely loved it. And now let's talk about food. Amrutam is the only restaurant functioning on site right now and it's a multi-cuisine restaurant. Coffee shop Ambara अभी maintenance के लिए बंद है, but it is expected to be up and running very soon. The restaurant is quite well maintained. Staff काफी helpful और professional है. खाना टेस्ट और प्रेजेंटेशन दोनों में ही काफी अच्छा है and you can feel the freshness of local spices in the food very easily. And that's us, super hungry and looking like we haven't eaten in days. Breakfast has a huge variety of North Indian, South Indian and international options and everything is yummy. You can enjoy this lovely view of the reception and the gift shop while you are having your food. And now, let me show you the public areas and common amenities of the resort. काफी सारी एक्टिविटीज जैसे कि कुकिंग डेमो, कल्चरल डांस, पूल अभी कोविड के चलते बंद है. But you can still play some indoor games while enjoying the view outside. Options are table tennis, carom, chess and some card games. And if you are someone who likes to work out on your vacations, there is a mini gym as well. And now, coming to the highlight, the natural beauty of the resort. I can totally see these pretty things roaming around in open all day long without getting bored at all. In addition, there is this section for small birds. There are lovebirds and there are white pigeons. They look extremely pretty, are very well taken care of, but at the same time are inside a cage. You decide for yourself how you feel about it. This is the main common pool of the resort. And I'm sure you would agree that there cannot be a better way than a warm campfire after dinner to end a chilly and rainy day. And this brings us to the end of a beautiful trip and a memorable stay at the Greenwoods Resort. Don't forget to like if you enjoyed the video and subscribe to stay updated on our upcoming adventures. वीडियो के एंड में एक एक्स्ट्रा सेक्शन है जहां हमने एक और रूम टाइप कवर किया है. चेक इट आउट इफ यू आर इंटरेस्टेड. दिस इज अनीशा साइनिंग ऑफ. स्टे सेफ, टेक केयर. टिल नेक्स्ट टाइम, बाय बाय. विद इन द रूम ये एक्स्ट्रा लेवल है जो आप यूज कर सकते हैं एक्स्ट्रा बेड डालने के लिए, या फिर अगर आप ग्रुप के साथ हैं तो यू कैन यूज टू जस्ट चिल एंड प्ले गेम्स. द लिविंग रूम इज इन एडिशन टू दिस स्पेस. And the highlight of the room has to be this lovely view from the balcony.